All right, I was going to do a quick review of the Milwaukee Super Hawg right angle drill. Now this has been on the truck for a few months. I've used it a lot, doing some electrical plumbing installs, drilling studs, floors out and everything for pipe. It's held up pretty well. Okay, a couple features here. The front of this is a quick lock for the drill bits. It'll pop in very easily, quick release. It's tuned pretty low, but you can change that. It's on the low right now. You can switch it up to high. If you want to hear it, I can turn it on. It's on high right now. Now let's go to low. A little different. You can notice it when you're drilling a lot more, but also one more thing, there's a light on it, which is kind of nice if you're in a crawl space or a tight little area. It's dark. This handles the M18 batteries as well. Now with a standard Milwaukee battery, I believe you get about 100 drills per charge. That's just standard 2x4 walls, which is pretty good. Also, one more thing that's nice is the handle on top. Now here's the top area. As you can see, brushless. It's the fuel series. Coming to the side here, you can see there's a nice little handle on top, so you can brace it when you're drilling through studs. There are ports on the sides you can screw in for handles. You have one on the right side there, one on the left as well. Honestly, I just stick to the top one. It does what I need it to do. There's also nice rubber up here. So if you're drilling and something gets caught on it, it'll protect the tool in general. It'll just hit the rubber you can kind of see on top. Nothing crazy I've done, but it's nice to have that little padding there. Overall, it feels pretty strong. It feels like it's built to do what it needs to do. So when you have the drill bit in, right on the hand here, like any other drill, you have the forward and reverse, so you can change which direction you want to go. And this one's in high now. Okay, I have a scale here and I've got the tool, so I'll go ahead and stick it on so you can see the weight. And that is 12 pounds, 3 ounces with no battery. So overall, yes, I am happy with it. It feels built to last. Feels pretty strong and rugged when you're using it. Also, when you're drilling through a bunch of studs for electrical work, I never noticed anything really overheating. It didn't really feel hot. It just kept chugging along. So it definitely feels like it's built to last.